Have you guys heard of the Pico Trail? The Pico Trail is a 300-kilometer walking trail through the central highlands of Sri Lanka, one of Asia's greatest hidden gems. So today we are going to the first walk of the first stage of the Pico Trail, Hanthana Mountain Range. This Pico Trail has 22 stages. This trail has been made so that those who love hiking and climbing can see the best ecosystems and mountainous terrains in South Asia. The Hanthana Mountain Range lies in the central highlands of Sri Lanka, southwest of Kandy. It was declared as an environmental protection area under the National Environment Act. The maximum height of the range is 1,200 meters. The mountain range consists of 7 peaks, the highest one being the Uura Kanda. An iron pipe that facilitates Hantana transmission towers is the way to the top of the mountain in the middle of the piece. The Hanthana Mountain Range is popular with hikers, campers, birdwatchers, and anyone who enjoys being close to nature in any form. University of Peradeniya is situated adjacent to the Hanthana Mountain Range. However, Hanthana Mountain Range is open for hiking from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. because after that, it might be difficult with regards to the safety of travelers, tourists, and locals. The visual beauty and calm of these mountains have also been lyricized by local songwriters. The Mahaweli River is fed by freshwater springs on the western end of Hanthana. The Hanthana Mountain Range is a home to a wide variety of indigenous wildlife, where Sri Lankan government has designated the area as a protected nature reserve. Fishing cats, civets, wild boars, hares, monkeys, leopards, foxes, hedgehogs, and even raptors are just a few of the wildlife that call the Hanthana Hills home. The mountain range is a great place to go birdwatching, as it has over 120 different species of birds, some of which are native to the area.
Koko. Wah, nadi gula. Hiking attacking.
Waktu riberai mai hari makan tu. Ayo. Makan dia.
And the Mahaweli's tributaries separate the range's various hills. From the heights of these hills, excellent views of Kandy City, the Knuckles Range, the Aranayake Dolaspage Range, and the hills of the Sabaragamua region can be seen. Through the greens, the Tower Peaks trails not only gives a beautiful view over the Kandy City, but also take hikers through the Ganarua Agro-Technology Park.
Habibi, come to Sri Lanka. බඩ ඉන්නේනේ.
ඈ? ඒ කන්නේ යන්න පායකෝ.
මොනවද කියන්නේ?
වෙනසක් කරමු.
නියමයි නියම එකක්. මොකද? සුවිල්ල බලන්න.
In the distance, we can see Sandagiri Mahaa Seya.
Konda madi. Hari ya.
ඔයාට අවසානයේ මොකද හිතෙන්නේ? හරිම මේක අපි ගොඩක් මේ බාධක තිබ්බත් අපි ගොඩක් ජය ගත්තා මේ බාධක. මේ පාට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ලස්සන. ඒ ලංකාව. ආයි කියන්නේ හබීබි come to ශ්‍රී ලංකා.
අර රත්න රවුම් මොකක්ද කියන්නද? ඒ කාලේ අලි දැන් මෙතෙන්ට බා. ඔව් ඔව්. යකෝ අලිය උදින දැන බා. අනාගතේ යතයි. හච්. නෝ මොකක්ද නේ බින්දුනේ?
මට තෝනේ වතුර.
මේක තමයි අපි ගේම ගහන්න ඕන මොනවා කියන්නත් නැහැ නේ බා.
ඕනද? ඒක අපිට මෙහෙම උන්නේ.
ජල රක්ෂිතයෝ. අම්මෝ මට උරක් ඔයා. එක කුකුර.
අම්මෝ මේ එක උගුර බොන්නේ.
යන්දු මන.
ඒ පැත්තේ ගොඩක් මේව නැහැ. මේ ගොඩ නැගිලි යනවා මනන්න.
වීඩියෝ දාලා දෙන්න තාත් විතරයි. ඒ මොකද්ද අත?
Hanthaneta payana hada